Okay, ma. Next one. This one is different one compared to remaining problems. We need to discuss the values of lambda mu. For what values this system has no solution. For what values of lambda mu this system has unique solution. For different values of lambda mu this system has infinite solution. That solution we need to evaluate. Procedure is as previous problems, ma. How we did previous problems like that only. But at the end we will discuss the values of lambda mu. That is only difference. So as usual, write the matrix form of given system, ma. Matrix form of given system. Matrix form, you all know how to write matrix form. So first write coefficients 1 1 1. Second equation coefficients 1 2 3. Third equation coefficients 1 2 lambda. Next write unknowns, ma. X y z. Next write constant RHS values 6 10 mu. This is A matrix, this is X matrix, this is B matrix. Now write matrix AB, ma. Matrix AB. A and B together you need to write. First you have matrix A 1 1 1 1 2 3 1 2 lambda. Next B matrix at the end 6 10 mu. Now, as usual, by marking principal diagonal, below the principal diagonal, we need to make 0, ma, by using row operations only. For that, first we need to apply row operation for this row and this row. So R2 has 1, R3 has 1. Writing row operations are very easy. R2 implies 1 minus 1. R2 minus R1. R3 implies R3 minus R1. So this operation we need to apply now, ma. So if you apply this operation, what you will get? First row as it is you can copy, ma. 1 1 1 6. Second row subtract 1 minus 1 0. 2 minus 1 1. 3 minus 1 2. 10 minus 6 4. Next 1 minus 1 0. 2 minus 1 1. Lambda minus 1 lambda minus 1. Mu minus 6. Now to make this element 0 we need to apply row operation, ma. That operation is R3 implies R3 minus R2. 1 minus 1 0. First two rows you can copy as it is, ma. First two rows copy as it is 1 1 1 6. Second row also same 0 1 2 4. Third row 0 0. Lambda minus 1 minus 2. Lambda minus 3. Mu minus 6 minus 4. Mu minus 10. Now we need to discuss lambda mu values, ma. For different values of lambda mu, the solution has unique, infinite and no solution. First we need to decide about no solution. So you all know when this system has no solution, that conditions already we discussed, ma. This system has no solution if rank of A not equal to rank of AB. Rank of A not equal to rank of AB means rank of AB may be 2, rank of AB may be 3. When rank of A is 2, so if you ignore last column, when you will get rank of this matrix 2, if you have two non-zero rows. When you will have two non-zero rows, ma, if this element becomes 0. When this element becomes 0, if you write in the place of lambda 3, that means if lambda equal to 3 and this is non-zero value, mu not equal to 10, then system has no solution. No solution. Then system has no solution. Then system has no solution. Mu not equal to 10, ma. Then system has no solution. Next one. We need to decide about unique solution, ma. Unique solution. When we will have unique solution? If rank of A equal to rank of AB equal to number of unknowns. Number of unknowns are 3. If you get rank of A 3, rank of AB 3, then system has unique solution. So for that, if this one element is not equal to 0 enough, then automatically you will get rank of A3, rank of AB3. For that, here you should not get 0. Here any value, mu may be any value, but in the place of lambda minus 3, you should not get 0. That means you should not have 3 in the place of lambda. Mu may be any value. mu any value, then what type of solution you will have? Unique solution. This is the case where you will get rank of A equal to rank of AB equal to n. Third case, infinite solution. When we will have infinite solution, rank of A, rank of AB should be equal, but that value should be less than n. Less than n means n is 3. Less than 3 means 2. When you will get rank 2, rank of A 2 means this element should be 0. Rank of AB also 2 means this element also becomes 0. Then only you will get rank of A2, rank of AB2. That means this complete row becomes 0. Then only you will get that case. When this complete row becomes 0, if you have in the place of lambda 3, if you have in the place of mu 10, then you will get. So if lambda equal to 3, mu equal to 10, then these two elements become 0. That last row will be completely 0 row. Then rank of A is 2, rank of AB is 2, which is less than number of unknowns 3. Then you will get infinite solution. Like this, you need to analyze the values of lambda mu, that is the question. For what values of lambda mu the system has unique solution, infinite solution, no solution. This is the way analyzing. Without analyzing also, by remembering simple hint, you can write these conditions. Hint is, if both parameters are equal to the same values, then infinite. Equal to, both lambda mu equal to the existing values, then you will get infinite solution. If one is equal to, another one is not equal to, then no solution. First one not equal, then you will get unique solution. Like that also you can remember these conditions very easily. Okay, no? So to solve this system of equations, as we discussed for the previous problems, in the similar manner, first we are writing given system in matrix form like this. This is A matrix, this is X matrix, this is B matrix. Now write AB matrix together in one matrix, that is called matrix AB. So here A matrix first 1 1 1 1 2 3 1 4 7. Next B matrix 6 14 30. Now mark the principal diagonal. Below the principal diagonal we need to make all the elements 0. So this one and this one. For that operation is R2 implies R2 minus R1. Next, to make this element 0, R3 implies R3 minus R1. So first row as it is you can copy. First row no need to change. 1 1 1 6. Second row this element becomes 0, this element becomes 0. For remaining elements we need to apply the operation. 2 minus 1 1, 3 minus 1 2, 14 minus R2 minus R1. Simply subtract. 14 minus 6, 8. 8. Next, R3 minus R1. 1 minus 1 0, 4 minus 1 3, 7 minus 1 6, 30 minus 6 24. Now apply row operation to make this element 0. For that, R3 implies R3 minus 3 R2. Use this second row. First row only once we use. For second stage we go for second row. Now the first two rows are same. First two rows you can copy as it is. First two rows 1 1 1 6. Next 0 1 2 8 0. 3 minus 3, multiply this one with 3, 3 1 are 3, 3 minus 3, 0. Multiply this one with 3, 3 2 are 6, 6 minus 6, 0. Next, 6, 3 2 are 6, 6 minus 6, 0. Next, 24, multiply 8 with 3, 3 8 are 24, 24 minus 24, 0. Like previous problem. Rank of A is, ignoring last column, number of non-zero rows are 2. Rank of AB, ignoring last column, number of non-zero rows are 2. So now, what happens? Number of non-zero rows are 2, 2. But number of unknowns are 3. Number of unknowns you will get from X matrix. Number of unknowns are 3. Rank is 2. So rank of AB and rank of A are equal but less than n. If you have this condition, just now I said that given system has infinite solutions. Infinite solutions. So to find that infinite solution, I said rank is 2 here, n is 3. Assign n minus r variables to k, constant. N is 3, r is 2, 3 minus 2, one variable you need to assign k ma, one variable. Generally any one variable you can assume k. Generally we take here z as k. Now write second equation. Second equation is this one. Y plus 2z equal to 8. Y plus 2z equal to 8. Now write in the place of zk. Y plus 2k equal to 8. Y equal to 8 minus 2k. Plus 2k if you send to that side, that becomes minus 2k. Y minus 8 minus 2k. Now substitute z value and y value in first equation. What is first equation? X plus y plus z equal to 6. Now write in the place of y value. What is y value? 8 minus 2k. Z value k equal to 6. So x plus 8 minus 2k plus k minus k equal to 6. Now send these two terms to that side. X equal to 6 minus 8 plus k. 6 minus 8 minus 2. 6 minus 8 minus 2. So x equal to minus 2 plus k. So here the infinite solution is infinite solution. Infinite solution is x equal to minus 2 plus k, y equal to 8 minus 2k, z equal to k. That is infinite solution. If you replace k with infinite number of numbers, you will get infinite number of solutions. That's why this is called infinite solution.